Meaning of guildhall.
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 Guildhall. A guildhall is a building or hall used by guilds for their meetings and social activities in the medieval era. Guilds were organizations of craftsmen, merchants, and traders who regulated their respective trades, and guildhalls served as their headquarters. These buildings were often decorated with the emblems of the various member companies, and they were important centers of economic and social activity. Guildhalls can still be found in many cities around the world today, and they often serve as museums or cultural centers, preserving the history of the guilds and their important role in society.